It's a great honor and it's a privilege. I definitely wanted to thank God for this opportunity. Without Him, I don't think so I would be doing business with all these great people. And especially my other team members and Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Andhra. Great to be associated with you guys, and I come from a digital background. I run a company called Alpha Digitech, and it's a music-oriented company. And personally, I love the sports very much. And when I was looking to be associated with this, I wanted someone to help me out with the celebrities and other things. And I found the right person, is Sanghavi ma'am. And she came join hands with me to take this forward. And since we are based out of Karnataka, the love for Karnataka is huge, and the people in Karnataka are fantastic. And we've got a very big surprise for you guys. That in a span of 1 week you will come to know. Our brand ambassador is too big actually. He's a superstar there, and he's a superstar there, and we will be announcing him in the days to come. And our captain is Digant, and I would ask Madam to explain more about the team and the team's process.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm very happy to be a part of this CBL, and I'm the co-owner of Karnataka Ads. When Mr. Justin came up with this idea, I was very excited because I loved the game, and my husband also is into it. So we were like, of course, we want to be a part of it, and we collaborated, and now we are, taking over Karnataka. We are like the part of Karnataka Ads. Our brand, we have a very big brand ambassador for Karnataka. We would announce his name a little later, but we would now want to announce our captain, Digant, who's a fabulous player himself. He plays badminton very well, and we are all practicing, and we have a very good coach, Mr. Vijay Lansi, who is the CEO of Prakash Pudukone Groups. He'll be supporting us in coaching, and we're looking forward, and I hope we'll do a good job. Thank you.
Hi, good evening everyone. First of all, I'd like to thank Hemachandra and Ranjit who got me into this. Because basically, I own an event company in Hyderabad. It's called Pebblestone Entertainment. And we are more into celebrity weddings. We do huge weddings. Like what Hema was saying, the next level of platform to come out in the PR and to move with the general public, you need something, a platform like this. So that's what exactly Ranjit called me and told me. Something I immediately, I just told him, I'm going to take this team because I need the next platform. The next level of, to show you entertainment and everything. I thank all the three of them for giving a wonderful opportunity here. And my captain is Sudhir Babu. He is the brother-in-law of superstar Mahesh Babu. He's a good player. And when I approached him, he was really, the basic thing was, he loved the game. It's not that for the money of publicity, they have enough publicities. He said, we have to win, and we have to rock Tollywood Thunders. And I like to congratulate all the three team members also. All the best. Let this rock. God bless this CBL. And let the competition be heavy, good, fun. Let the best team win. 3 cheers.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Ranjit Karnataka, the team owner of Kerala Royals. Hemachandra is very close friend of mine. He came with this proposal, and I was pretty interested. And I want to enter to buy our own team for a long time. I got this opportunity. Thanks so much for this. My brand ambassador, my captain is Jairam. He's an amazing player and a very down-to-earth person. I'm willing to be a part of CBL, grow with his team. God bless.
Okay, very good afternoon. Now I'm a bit tense. So I've written down my notes. Okay, so please excuse me. So dear friends, it's actually a pleasure to be here, and I'm very happy to address you today. So I'm coming from a family business of textiles. I'm from Madurai, it's my hometown. And coming from that background, from a textile background, I left the family business and I started off my own IT business, which is .com Infoway and also Galata in the year 2000. And later, in 2008 we started a magazine, Galata Cinema, and then we started. I'm also the co-founder of Maxter, which is now more than a $300 million company. And last year, 2016-15, we started Gmasa and Adata. So what happened is, like, I happened to meet Mr. Hemachandran, and he told me about CBL. So when he told me itself, I was like very impressed. So I decided, okay, on that day itself I'll sign. Okay, I said, he told me about this. I said, let's sign up now itself. Because before somebody else takes it up. That much I was convinced, because the concept was great, and basically it's like I also happen to know Raghu Anna, who I call Raghu Anna. He's just only 50 years older than me. So since I know both of them, it was good. So it made me finalize my decision also quickly. And I am a badminton lover. I used to play, not now. So now I'm actually trying to play again. I was there for practice yesterday along with the team. And why badminton? And because even if you see in the Olympics right now, if you see a lot of people are actually players. So if you see all badminton players are again from Andhra or other states. It's difficult to find somebody from Tamil Nadu. So I wanted to encourage this CBL has got an agenda where they are also helping out to sponsor people in the people for coaching badminton for the people who are not able to afford it. So all this is part of the reason for me to invest in this particular venture. And I'm very happy to say that Hector Arya is our team captain. And Hector Arya, since you're all from Chennai, we can proudly say that, because he's a fitness freak. He's he goes cycling every week, or some maybe 150 kilometers. He's could say rock star in that in fitness. And he's also a very good badminton player. He loves the game. We met him at his house, and he said, "Okay, let's do it." So that was positiveness in him. And it was a good experience. Actually, I need to spend at least 2 or 3 more minutes. So I had a good experience speaking with the team and trying to find out their interest. Most of them said yes, and only a few people said, "Sorry, brother, I don't know how to hold the bat, or how to connect from bat to cork." So that was also there. There was also one comedian who I met, and he said, "Sorry, you mean the one which you had hit on the table?" So it was a bit difficult for me to, because I had to approach people who are only interested in the sport, but also they have to have they need to have interest. It's not just bringing a big name. It's very important, because CBL has set very strict guidelines and need to follow that. And first, and finally, thanks to CBL for this opportunity. And that's one of the reasons I have got a super friends like Justin, Moses, Sangavi, Ranjit, Krishna, and others. So it's really very helpful to CBL for that. And I've got an amazing team with me, Stephen, Uma, Prabhu, and Vinayak Murthy. Thank you so much for your support. And once again, thanks CBL for making this, for creating this dream, and the dream come true. And I'm really, it's not about winning. I think we should all play, and I'm sure it will be a super duper hit. Thank you.
And first time Raj and Sheshagri, first of all, kudos to them. They convinced us to get on board, and I assure you, we are not very easy to convince. So it's been an honor associating with CBL, and it's Victor has been a 50-year-old brand in this field in badminton, and we entered the Indian market looking forward to further the brand by associating with people like you and your team. So it's been an honor and a privilege, and looking forward to a mutual growth and association. Yeah, thank you very much.
Hi, good afternoon everybody. Actually, I am coming from Swiss, but my Tamil accent and everything is so good. But maybe later stages of the events, I'll be part of that, and it's a great honor to be here. And now I'm really a bit nervous to compete and do a good job in the app partner and the mobile payment. So it's a company around 5 years we are in the industry. This is the first time we are in the media. Let's hope, make successful, and all the best for CBL. And definitely we are going to rock, rock, rock.